I really should have stopped right here.
This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center.
Hi everyone, I am Charlene, and this week I am diving into some Swedish death cleaning underneath my bed. Husky and all, you know hear my sound? My nasal, me feel like this take me out. But if you're interested in seeing what went on, come right along. Before I even started this week's Swedish death clean, I decided to do what I love most. I dressed my bedroom. The decorator in me couldn't resist. I spent the afternoon fluffing pillows, layering my throw, and just making the space feel calm again. It's funny, sometimes creating beauty is how I prepare for the messy part that comes next. By evening, the light was golden and everything looked so peaceful. I wanted to capture that calm before the storm. So I took a few moments for myself, pulled back the sheets, fluffed my pillows, and climbed into bed with a good book. No phones, no TV. Just quiet time to rest my body before what I knew would be a long day ahead. Morning quickly came. I woke up a little bit late, but feeling both rested and ready, and maybe just a little unsure of what I had uncovered that day. I opened the windows, letting the light wandered into the kitchen to open up, as if to say, all right, let's do this. And that's how the day began. Bright, fresh, full of possibilities.
So I'm inside of Freshman. Right, I'm inside here and just came in to pick up a few things, not a big shopping venture today at all, just a few things. Actually my decorating portfolio, and let me tell you, I have been trying for years to throw this out, but I still can't. Now for the persons who used to watch HGTV, you remember Matt and what's his name again? Matt and Sherry. You remember what was their show again? Decorating. What is that go again? Lord, I don't remember what the name. But if you don't remember, tell me in the comments. You can see it, Matt and Sherry. And they were on HGTV. They were actually one of my favorites. They came to Jamaica and I went and saw them. And so they came here for an expo. This is my decorating portfolio that I did at school. And Let me tell you. So it has the table of contents, then it has the introduction. I open the doors to you, to the world of interior decor. We shall see how it all began, how it has evolved, the design elements and players who have contributed to what we now know as interior design. This store should be interesting, as I have used my savoir-faire to intersperse the information with pictures and samples. I have also provided a glossary to interpret the unfamiliar words you shall encounter. So go ahead, step right in, and open your eyes and your mind to the wonderful world of interior design. Oh, jeez, yeah. See another piece here? Oh, Lord, man. And I have quite a few interesting books in here, though, you know. 50 Shades of Grey, I have all 3 of them. I might read them again. I think I might read them again. I'm coming across some really sweet memories over here. And then also, too, I have Beverly Manley's book. Oops, what's sticking here? So, let's see. Beverly Manley. I read this through and through too. See? In Search of Wisdom by Joyce Meyer. Okay. Let's get cracking. Yeah. And of course, a mini color chart. A mini fan deck. Yeah. I was looking for this the other day for a client and couldn't find it, you know, so it's a good thing I'm doing this.
If you're holding on to something that might inspire you, maybe it's time to revisit it. Not to keep it, but to remember what it has taught you. The memory might just spark the next chapter of your life.
The shelf. Then I have one empty shelf left. There are a few pieces that could go on it, but this is where I'm at. And so now this piece over here is gonna be going out as well. The owner not quite ready for it. Oh, I need to dust this. Right, not quite ready for it, but it is definitely going out as well. This is actually my very, very first TV stand. So my hydration game have to be so on point today, and every chance I get I'm drinking this. See how big this is? Because this inside here today is not an easy task. And if I had not committed myself on YouTube to doing this room in terms of to doing the shelf and the bed, I don't think I would have taken on the bed, because I'm at 4:15 in the evening and I am so tired. But even if I don't get to finish it on camera, I am gonna be going through it. So I'm just gonna put you on a time lapse. Work with it, alright? Because I can't talk too long when I'm tired, so at all. Okay. gonna wait till I get a shower. I'm gonna spread out in my bed. I'm not feel so well now that you know, so not even operate on all cylinders, but man, go down, go through.
Once I started moving things around, I realized how easy it is to tuck pieces of our lives into corners and forget about them. It's not really about getting rid of stuff. It's about facing the stories we've quietly packed away. Under the bed, in the drawers, behind boxes, tiny capsules of who we used to be. This box has been under here for quite a while, and I honestly did not remember what was inside. That's the thing about a Swedish death cleaning.
One thing for certain, I got a little well of this bed today. So it was really very, very ambitious about doing the whole of the bed. But I really can't do the whole bed. Like, I cannot do the whole bed. It's not possible to do the whole bed. Then I do half, right down the middle, so. And then the other half, I have to either do off camera or it may include this in our next video. Oh God, can't. Dying. You have to be measured, you know, you're doing this. Don't feel like you can take it on all at once. You have to take your time. Them smart. I've gotten the boxes flat and I don't know where I thought they were big. But they're not. So that's the part of the deterrent. I thought the boxes would have been big. So I forgot to quartz now to go get some big boxes. Like the appliance boxes. Yeah. Now hold it what I do today. Where is the book?
If this video inspired you to start your own Swedish death cleaning, or simply to make space for what truly matters,
so I'm going to show you the time. It is 6:06 and I couldn't leave the other half of it because I didn't want to come back to it. I would have felt so defeated if I had left it there because it might be late and it might take me a while to edit this video because there's so many clips. But I will feel better knowing that I completed this task. But just I give them one, right? So this is what it is basically. Okay. So, and then I took off the dust skirt and put it in the washer. So sometimes when you're doing these things, the other day I was doing it, I had to wash the drapery, the shears over on that side. So yeah, that's what it is. I suspect these are gonna be going back though.
Leave me a comment and let me know what you're ready to let go of. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss part 3. Until next time, be gentle with your space and with yourself. Walk good.
Make sure that you watch the 2 decluttering videos that will be posted right here.